Hi, my name is Yupon, and today we have a live audience with us. Everybody, please go ahead and cheer. Welcome to our first episode and season of Sash Nomads Baking / Cook-Off. Now this is like a lame version of Chopped, and our contestants are going to have 2 required ingredients that they must use inside of their dishes, and whatever else they can find inside of the empty kitchen of Sam and Ashley. Now, hold on, I'm getting a call, hold on. Hello? I told you. I'll pick it up when I get home, okay? I'm filming the show right now. Hold on. Sorry, guys, one second. No, I do not want Christina Aguilera. I specifically asked for Britney Spears. All right, thank you. Sorry about that. All right, so let's go ahead and introduce our first contestant, Ashley.
My name is Ashley. I'm 25 years old. I live here in Portland, but I'm from a lot of other cities. And I am here on this competition today because Sam usually always does cooking in our house and I never get to do anything. So I'm really excited today to showcase what I really have to offer to everyone. And I know I'm gonna win the competition.
Wow, Ashley, you're very interesting. But we have another competitor, Samantha. Hi, my name is Samantha. I am 27 years old, originally from the Bay Area. Now here in Portland, and to be honest with you, I don't even know why I'm here today. I've never heard of this show before, like who is Zupon? I have no idea, but all I know is that Ashley really wants to beat me and I just can't let that happen, so I'm gonna prove her wrong. But let's go ahead and get the competition started.
During phase 1, each contestant must choose 2 ingredients for the other contestant to use in their dish. Contestants are free to use other things in the pantry, but they must utilize those 2 ingredients as well.
My 2 ingredients are going to be an old yucky banana. We're also going to have her use popcorn.
I am going to be choosing this polenta. It has been in the pantry for quite a while. It needs to be used, so I really hope she can do something with this. I'm gonna have her use this bottle of wine that is really old.
Along with those other 2 ingredients, we have a pretty much empty fridge, an empty freezer. To be honest with you, there's not a lot going on inside of this pantry.
In phase 2, contestants will have 30 minutes to create a dish that not only tastes good, but looks good and showcases their creativity. They must use both ingredients inside of their dishes.
All right, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Like, this makes no sense. Oh my God. Mix some water.
Alright, so how am I gonna put bananas and popcorn together? Okay, you know what? This is a really good popcorn, I think.
What they do as chefs, you are supposed to like taste it or whatnot.
Oh my God, it's like rubbing alcohol.
It's okay, I can work with this.
Okay. So I am thinking, okay, what am I gonna do with this banana? And I'm thinking, okay, this banana is really ripe. I bet I can make it into a sauce, a banana popcorn sauce.
So you guys, I still don't understand why I'm here, but those ingredients that she gave me are just, how are you supposed to work with that? Honestly, polenta? I have never cooked with polenta, and she knows that. She lives with me. So, if you ask me what I'm making right now, you guys, I have absolutely no idea.
I'm popping some popcorn. I'm really excited for what I'm making here. I think it's gonna be really, really good. So I'm popping the popcorn. Popcorn is the best popcorn I have ever made. I mean, every single one was popped. It is perfectly fluffy. I go to put this caramel drizzle on and it completely shrinks my popcorn. I mean, you can even hear the popcorn just soaking up the banana, and I'm like, oh my God, this is gonna be ruined.
The first step is to try your ingredients, so I did. Maybe I should do something that's sweet. It's the only thing you can really do with sweet red wine. Let's just run with it. Threw in some old bananas, some flour, so hopefully we'll add some sort of consistency of some sort.
The only way that I think that I can save this is if I put it in the oven and hope that the popcorn comes back to life.
This is the wine that was being reduced. I'm about to put my polenta cakes on the pan here. Making 3 because 3 is my lucky number. And I need some luck here to pull me through this competition because otherwise Ashley is going to beat me.
It smells so good, but looks so bad. I don't know if this is the right consistency. I'm still too cold. There's no more spatulas left. I don't even know what to do anymore. I'm just gonna have to use a spoon.
Oh my God. Normally with pancakes, like, you know what's going on because it bubbles, but like, how do I know if it's done on one side? Like, there's no bubbling going on. Like,
Oh God.
at this point, I am like, what am I gonna do? This is just not working.
I only hope now is just to make this look at least a little bit presentable. I don't know what else to do.
I did lose one of those polenta pancakes. At this point, I have no other choice. We have only a few moments left on the clock, and I have to get this thing plated.
During Phase 3, the contestants will be judged on 3 things: creativity, taste, and plating. This will be performed by Zupan and a special guest. Stay tuned to find out who that is.
Wow, you guys, that was a very fierce competition. I cannot be the only one judging here today. So we have a special guest, and her name is Unicorn Lady. Welcome.
Why the am I here?
It's because you're my friend, and you are on this great TV show with our audience. So,
What kind of a audience is this?
well,
These are like dolls.
that is very rude. These are VIP. You know what? I don't want to do this right now, Unicorn Lady. Let's get straight into the taste testing.
Please. You didn't even pay me for this.
What?
Zupan.
This is a television show that's taking off.
Okay.
So just bear with me here, okay? So we have our wonderful plates here. This one apparently is like polenta cakes, is the name that Sam said. So let's just try it. Let's just try it.
The flavorings that I taste in this dish is really just like a lot of bitterness, and there's a little bit of sweetness, but there's also a lot of sourness, a little bit like rubbing alcohol.
It tastes floury too.
Yeah, very powdery.
But you know what? I will say this. Creative idea, but poorly poorly executed. Okay, let's go ahead and let's give this a grade. So on a scale of 1 to 10, plating,
I would give it a 10.
I think it's a solid 6. So I think that evens out to about 8. So 8 for plating. Taste is a solid 2.
2.
2. Okay, so now we're at a 10 altogether. Creativity, 5.
7.
Okay, let's move land about 6. So it's 16 score overall. Good job. It's popcorn. There's some raisins as a garnish. And then we have bananas.
Cinnamon and nutmeg.
Yeah.
You know what? I really don't like coming on this show to spit things out because I have my signature jewelry piece. And you know, Zupan, did I get a little bit in here? I'm not even getting paid for this.
Yes, unicorn lady. There is a little bit right there.
Zupan.
Okay, let's get back to the competition. Taste. I think it's a 10. It's a 10. It's a 10. Okay, it's a score of 30. Ashley is the winner. Yay, Ashley! Yay, Ashley! Oh my God!
That's so exciting.
I know.
Thank you, Zupan. I'm so appreciative. I knew I was gonna win. I just can't believe this.
Hey,
You loved it.
Yeah, so good. So good. Thank you so much for joining me. As a celebration for today's episode, I did bring some takeout of tacos because I had a feeling that this wouldn't taste like actual dinner tonight. Come on, Ashley, this is all for you.
Oh my God, I love taco. This is the best day ever. I worked so hard on this popcorn. It feels really good.
Thank you so much for joining in. And we're gonna celebrate next time on our second episode of Sam versus Ashley.
For her second ingredient, I gotta go. We don't have a film person, so I'm the real film person. My popcorn is popping out. I don't have time to film you right now.
I can't even plate it right. Welcome. You wanna do that first? No. Welcome to our first contestant, Ashley. This is her.
Oh.